Yeah, today our video or our recipe is about natural juice for weight loss. And trust me, this will help you lose 5 kg within a week. And it's very, very effective. So these are the ingredients for the recipe. We have our cucumber here, our ginger, our lemon, and then almighty alligator pepper. Okay, now we are going to wash our ingredients. Yes, so now our ingredients are in the water. I'm washing them. Okay, I'm washing them. I have to wash them very well, especially the ginger, to prevent sand or anything. Okay. I'm pouring the water away because I'm going to wash them again. Yeah, I'm washing them twice to get it clean. Yeah. So now I'm coming to put them back into the water and then add vinegar to it. And I'm going to leave it for at least 3 minutes and then come back to them later. Yeah. We all know what vinegar does to clear any other bacteria. We want our juice to be more healthy and healthier. So, see you in 3 minutes. As you can see, our 3 minutes it's up. So, I have to rub the ginger, then remove it from the water. Removing the ginger. Okay, our lemon, removing it. Okay, this is our cucumber. Good. As you can see, I'm cutting my cucumber into smaller pieces because my jar that I'm coming to use is small. And cucumber is very good to the body. It's very high in nutrients and it's very, very, very low in calories. So it will help also to burn those calories in your system. And cucumber is also contains minerals and vitamins and also improves hydration in the system It also helps you lower your blood sugar, and also fight against cancer and reduces cholesterol in your system, in our system. Good. Now we are coming to start with our lemon. Coming to cut it also into pieces. I'm using 2 lemon because I want more vitamins. Oh my god. As you can see, lemon is a very good source of vitamins into our system. And it supports weight loss. It also improves your skin quality. There's no need for you to go and buy any product for your skin quality. For the best and the natural skin quality, this is the best recipe for you, and also will help you lose more weight. Okay, and also lemon freshens your breasts. It's freshen your breath very well, very well, very well. And also lemon helps to prevent kidney stones. Yes, lemon is very good and is very important to our system. Very good and very important to our system. So you need to try this out. It will help you. Next one is our ginger. The almighty ginger. Yes, as you can see, I'm cutting them into pieces, and I didn't peel it off because the skin also helps in so many ways. And ginger like this, it helps to treat morning sickness. It reduces muscle pain, and it also helps with arthritis. Yes, it's very good. So this juice is going to help you in so many ways and to do so many things. Yes, the ginger also lowers your blood sugar and improves disease in your system, and then the risk factor to prevent chronic disease and indigestions. It also reduces menstrual pains. Yes, ginger is very good. It helps you to reduce those menstrual pains. There is no need for any pill. Yes, this is the natural way to reduce those menstrual pains. Yeah, and above all, ginger also lowers your cholesterol level. Yes, so It's really good. So you can see the benefits of the things. So I tell you, within a week, when you take this juice, you are going to lose weight very, 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 very well. Yes, as you can see, our ingredients are ready. And it's made with alligator pepper. I didn't chop it because I am coming to grind a bit of the ginger and then the alligator pepper together. This is how it's going to be like. Just wait and see your baby girl. Yes. I have my speed chopper here. So putting my ginger inside. Then, as you can see, this is my alligator pepper. The alligator pepper is very good for the body. It helps to prevent anti-inflammation in the system, and it's also good to treat malaria, indigestion. It prevents the body to fight against arthritis as well, and it also helps to reduce stimulations in the system, and also helps to reduce stroke. Yes, you all know that when you are getting fat and those things, it leads to a different thing altogether. So as you can see, I'm going to grind it together smoothly. Yeah, I grind it because I want to feel the ginger in it. It's very good. So as you can see, you didn't grind it smoothly, just halfway. Okay, so now we are coming to pour all our ingredients into the jar. First adding the alligator pepper and the ginger. So this is the rest of the ingredients: the cucumber and the lemon. Sorry, I'm adding them together into the jug. This is so simple, and it will help you in so many ways. So now with this, you have to boil water and pour it on it. I didn't want to cook it. You can cook it, but when you boil water and pour it on it, it's very effective in other way because you can use it continuously for a week. But when you cook it, you can't get the whole nutrients and the benefits as well. So my water, so coming to light it, so I'll leave it to boil. Yes. Okay. As you can see, our water is boiling. Yes, so coming to put off the gas. Yeah. So as you can see, our hot water is ready. So going to fetch it and pour it gradually on the ingredients in the jug. Wow, so nice and good. Wow. So with this, you have to leave the juice to settle for some time, at least 3 minutes. So I'm coming to cover it and leave it to settle for 3 minutes. Then come back. Wow, this is very good and effective. Yes, our 3 minutes is up. So as you can see, it is well dissolved. So I'm pouring the portion that I'm going to drink. Yeah, I decided to open it so you see everything, and the color of the water has even changed. So our juice is ready. You can choose to remove the chaps from it or chew it whilst drinking. But you have to take this early in the morning on an empty stomach and then eat later in the day. And also you have to eat it, you have to drink it late in the night when you are going to bed. Yeah, it's bedtime. And then early in the morning. Don't forget to try it. It's very effective. It has helped me, so I decided to share. Okay, if you are new to my channel, kindly don't hesitate to subscribe. Click on the bell for all notifications and then stay tuned for more. See you in my next video. Bye bye.